I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
Yeah, dog. Yo, the party they shot last night, dog.
Party is sick, man. Me even tell him.
Keisha and Bobo pour me and two girls start fight.
How long I fight for?
No over half back line, you see.
Me should have known.
Dog, me I first man reach out I club.
Yo, me see you fast in the dog.
Dog, easy enough on a Jamaica side, me for the pan.
Yo, Trabass fast, but you not fast like me.
Yeah, man, but me not fast.
Yo, I engine them call man a yard.
Dog, me even pass you. Oh, my care them should have called me. You know I want to hear, dog.
Can't really know.
What? You really want to bet me, dog?
Bet him no.
Alright, we are make a bet. You see, whosoever win, the loser have to go run in the parking lot there, in the underpants.
What is it?
See?
I say, I will.
Can you feel like you're fast, you? Forward.
I'm ready.
Dog, you sure you want to do this? Ah, shit. You change quick, man. You couldn't tell me you're on for Jamaica.
Let me settle now.
You look fast, you know. Shit. Yeah, we can't go, Lord.
Bet done set already, Virgin.
Woo, sir.
On your mark.
Yeah.
Get set. Go.
How are the dogs? You don't see me run. Run like how you run last night, no boss? Me a move, man, me a move.
That is too easy. So hold on. No him not so fast. Yo, the race done. I win already.
Dog, you're fast, you know?
I'm telling you, man.
Me bumbo clot. Dog, you're fast, man.
Yo, remember the bet, you know?
No, best 2 out of 3.
No, dog. Remember the bet.
Yeah, man, him win. Actually, we have got to do it.